Hi guys, how to get voice chat in Roblox. Now click the More menu, 3 dots in the Roblox app, or select the gear icon on the website and open Settings. Pick the right method for your device so you don't get lost. Select account info from the top of the menu options to view your personal settings. This is where the age verification process begins, so don't scroll past it. Click Continue with Selfie, or choose to verify with your ID. Center your face in the circle as prompted by your camera to estimate your age. Here's a pro tip. You must be estimated as 13 or older to unlock voice chat, so use good lighting and hold your phone steady. Head back to your Roblox settings, click on Privacy, open the communication settings, and turn on the Experience Chat option. This unlocks text chat, but voice chat also requires the next step. Join a game that supports voice chat, grant the game microphone access, and click the microphone icon above your character's head or in the menu to unmute yourself.